In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Elementor subscription. Whether you're switching to a different platform or simply need a break, canceling your subscription is a straightforward process once you know where to go. Let's dive in and walk through each step, ensuring you can manage your subscription without any hassle. First, you'll need to log in to your Elementor account. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to the Elementor website by typing in my.elementor.com. Make sure you're using the correct login credentials associated with your account. Once you're all logged in, you'll land on your account dashboard. This is the starting point for managing all of your Elementor settings and subscriptions. Now, to proceed with the cancellation, you'll need to navigate to the Subscriptions tab. On your dashboard, take a look at the menu options presented on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a variety of options you can explore, but for today, let's focus on Subscriptions. Go ahead and click on it to view detailed information about your current plan. After opening the Subscriptions tab, you will be able to locate your active plan. Here, you'll see all the details related to your Elementor Pro subscription, such as the billing date and the payment method on file. Take a moment to confirm that this is indeed the plan you want to cancel. This is a great time to double-check any specifics if needed, ensuring you're looking at the correct subscription tied to your projects. Next, to cancel your subscription, find the Cancel Subscription button. It should be conveniently placed next to your active plan. Clicking this button will initiate the cancellation process. At this point, Elementor might prompt you to confirm your decision or ask for feedback concerning your cancellation. Take your time to provide any feedback Elementor requests, as this helps them improve their service. Once you've completed these additional steps, you'll finalize your cancellation. Congratulations! Your subscription is now canceled, meaning it won't automatically renew for the next billing cycle. However, you'll still have access to all of the Pro features you've been using until the end of your current billing period. This allows you some time to adjust or transition your work as necessary before those features are officially no longer available to you. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to cancel your Elementor subscription right from your account dashboard. I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any questions you might have in the comments. Until next time.